Hey guys, it's Sugar Bear, and it turns out I will be doing a double upload today. So we have Geometry Dash here, and every time I die, I will have to, if you can hear that, Warheads Super Sour Spray Candy. And it's watermelon flavored. So yeah, I got Geometry Dash Lite because I ain't paying for no Geometry Dash. Even though I skipped this. Okay. Come on, let's go. I'm not gonna die. I have experience in Geometry Dash, so I'm probably not gonna be that bad. No, that was scary. It's gonna turn civic? Yes, I know. Oh my god, that really scared me. She freaked out there, oh my god. Okay, I will have to take a spray of Warhead Sour Candy now. I should have put where you can see me actually, and should have put floating camera, but whatever. Let's take a spray. I just drooled on my pants. It's like I sprayed it in my throat. Actually gave me the goosebumps. Okay, you gotta do this again. Fine, that does count. It's too. I swear. Oh my god. This is so unlucky for me. I literally cannot. I swear, I see mini, super tiny. Oh my god, guys, I'm pain. I see mini spits. Literally, this is so unlucky. This is the worst ever. Y'all better hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going through some pain right now in my throat. My throat still hurts. I can barely say anything. I saw Roy, he accidentally sprayed it in his eye. The warheads in his eye. Man, he went straight to the bathroom and they be still recording. I better not spray it in my eye. Oh my god. Ugh. It tastes like throw up now. It's in the back of my throat, dang. Now, guys, I'm not gonna die 3 times, but I'm gonna take this triple spray because this is gonna be the end of the video. So, triple spray. You'll hear the sprays in my mouth. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me suffering. And bye.